When you think of alligators, the first words that come to mind probably aren't tender, loving, and maternal. This video may make you think again. Here in the Everglades, a mother alligator listens to the calls of her young as they hatch. Predators like this skunk just love delectable, helpless hatchling gators. The skunk hones in on the hatchling's cries. Gator mom is having none of this. She excavates her newborns and transports them to the swamp in her jaws of death. Now the gator babies are with mom. Unlike crocs, the gator toddlers stay close to mom for the first year, and for good reason. Because death lurks. Just about everywhere. This hungry great blue heron is on the prowl for a meal. This gator baby hides under a lily pad and calls for his mother. A baby gator is one thing, but a full-grown gator is a whole different deal. Mom's right there with her babies, and she saves the day until... Uh-oh. This little guy is an easy target for a snapping turtle. Fortunately, the turtle just isn't hungry. But one of the babies isn't so lucky. He's way too far from mom and way too oblivious to the danger that's all around him. He tries hard to escape. But this gator will never again know the shelter of its mother's ferocious but gentle jaws. Now, come on, say the words with me. Tender, gentle, loving, maternal.